This is one of the simplest soups to make, but it tastes like you slaved over it all day. Here's what you'll need: milk, potatoes, butter, celery, leeks, water, salt, and pepper. Here in more detail is the list of ingredients you'll need. Step 1. Melt the butter in a large pot. Step 2. Add the leeks and celery and sauté 10 minutes over medium heat, stirring often. Step 3. Add 1 cup of water, cover, and cook 10 more minutes. Step 4. Add the potatoes and another 2 cups of water, cover it and cook 10 minutes. Step 5. Add the milk, cover and cook 10 more minutes or until the potatoes are just tender. Step 6. Season with salt and pepper to taste and serve. Serve with crusty French bread as a first course. This recipe serves 4. And this is how to make leek and potato soup.